Ladies and gentlemen, the port entry door is now closed. At this time, all portable electronic devices should be placed in airplane mode or turned completely off. Flight attendants, prepare doors for departure and cross check, please.
I get it. I can't even imagine. The two, like, you know, I'm like, off Friday night, watch Saturday night, yeah, we play. Eddie's like, she's already crawling around. They got
After our service, cross check for fishback.
yes, yeah.
For us, that's a lot of money.
So they hang all over me. I always have a cold when I leave. So I give it to the school. I won't. School vacation this week. So it's great.
So is that like an F thing?
Yes, I know. I just
No, I
Okay.
if they would have called, I would have. Like, sometimes I can't say no. But I would have said just a half day. And now the teachers didn't get
That's all right. Where are you now?
because they already.
Oh, okay. Is that where, it's not,
Please. They call me and I go. See,
no, it's not the police officer. Barry Rhode?
Oh,
Oh, that's what you
I listen to them and they go on and on and on. And I, after a while, last year I started doing it 1 year I got captured.
Oh, Ken? Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, if we can have your attention for just a moment, if you would take the safety information card out of the seat pocket in front of you and follow along as we cover the important safety features of our Boeing 737-700 aircraft. To fasten your seatbelt,
Where do you live?
insert the flat into the buckle and pull on the loose end to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle flap.
Right in the
Your
center.
seatbelt
Yeah,
should be
that
worn
was-
long tight across your hips at any time you are seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors towards the rear. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to exits. If an evacuation becomes necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. There is a life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Open the container, remove the vest, lace it over your head, grab the strap, wrap it around your waist, buckle it in front, and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down sharply on the red tab to manually inflate bullets to the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a water activated light that turns on in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. Flight attendants are coming down the aisle to make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright and locked position, and all of your carry bags are completely underneath that seat in front of you, leaving the area at your feet clear. Smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is prohibited on board an aircraft lavatory. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. Federal aviation regulations require customer compliance with all lighted signs, placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. Ladies and gentlemen, it is prohibited to charge your e-cigarettes while aboard the aircraft. It is also prohibited to consume any alcohol which you might have brought on board with you today. If needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop into the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull the mask toward you until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Remove any facial covering you might be wearing and place that yellow mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Adjust with the straps on the side. Although the bag may not inflate, oxygen is flowing to the mask. Continue wearing your mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you are traveling with children or anyone in need of assistance, place your mask on first. Now, ladies and gentlemen, flight attendants are here for your comfort and safety, but please report any unwelcome behavior to any one of us. Thank you for your attention and welcome aboard Southwest Airlines. So if you haven't flown in us before, you're not sure what we serve, please take a look at that menu and the seat pocket in front of you, because as soon as we start the service, we're going to have to get it done real quick. Okay, so again, the menu's in the seat pocket in front of you. have a cocktail, beer, or wine. We do take most major credit cards, Apple Pay, and also accept coupons that are not expired. Now we invite you to sit back and relax and enjoy the 1 hour and 1 minute flight to